Looking for something light, crunchy and a healthy tea time snack? These oats methi multigrain khakras are a perfect match. So let's see the recipe. I'm going to be using 4 different flours. So let's start mixing them. I have here half a cup of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of bajra or pearl millet flour, 2 tablespoons of besan or gram flour, and 3 tablespoons of oats flour. I've taken instant oats and ground it into a powder. Add in half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, salt to taste. To make these khakras all season, I'm going to be using kasuri methi. If you use fresh methi, what happens is, by the time you finish rolling out all the khakras, the dough tends to become extremely soft. So that's another reason why I prefer using kasuri methi. So let's add in around 2 to 3 tablespoons, 1.5 tablespoon oil. Mix all these ingredients together. Add some water. Let this dough rest for around 10 minutes. The dough is well rested, time to shape the khakras. The best way of doing that is to roll out a few, let them dry out for a few minutes and then roast them. That just quickens the process of roasting and they become crispy faster. Take some dry flour to roll the dough. Try and roll it as thinly as you can. Take a lid of a container, remove the excess dough. Lay them out over a plate or a newspaper and let them dry out for a few minutes. In the same way, shape a few more khakras. Flip it over. Apply some ghee on one side. Start pressing. This is like a press for khakras, otherwise you can even use a napkin. Cook for a few seconds on one side. Apply ghee on the other side. Flip it over. Keep pressing and cook them on low heat. Flip them over again and cook it on the other side till crisp. This is nice and crispy now. Let's get it out and let it cool down on a wire rack. You can store these khakras for at least a good 3 to 4 weeks in an airtight container. They travel very well, so you can carry them on your trips. Do give this recipe a try, comment below and subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.